Hi Alpha, I'm reading a book. By the way, why are you here?
I was bored. I don't have anything to do.
Hmm, let's talk about something.
Okay. What do you have in mind?
Actually, I have an intriguing topic. It's about juveniles should be tried and treated as adults.
I have different views regarding the statement
Can you elaborate it?
because teenagers just teenagers. Sometimes they're just following their environment to do something.
Precisely, because they are still teenagers. They must be able to take responsibility for their mistakes so that they will not repeat it. There was this case in which three kids who raped a junior high school student and they were put in a prison so they would be deterred.
But if they punish them severely, teenagers will be stressed and depressed. Not to mention the negative views of people around uh, can develop a restless remorse. There is an article from University in Medan that mention about negative views can influence teenagers' social relationship.
In fact, the public's view is included in one of the punishment for the mistake they made. So they have no choice but to accept it. And with that, they have to think twice before committing a crime.
If the negative views develop and spread, boom, what is feared is they have a dark future. Either not accept in the community, isolate in work, even it can have an impact on his child. Just imagine, you get out of prison, what awaits you is insult and people's afraid of you. You not accept in school and you will think like I'm useless. There's nothing that I can do. And even it could end it in suicide. But if he continues his life and has a children, then his friends will mock him with criminal child.
But if he were to be punished severely, he could learn from what he has done, and therefore he could do something useful for his life and even can be successful. For example, in the news, Sabju Harry, who managed to become a successful businessman and is trusted to be the head of the neighborhood association, even though he had been imprisoned 8 times, because he has made up his mind to repent.
So in our conversation, we can conclude that you agree that teenagers should be treated as the same as adults so that they are responsible of their mistakes by accepting punishment and learning from their mistakes. It's fine. Let's go to the movie.
Okay, let's go.
And you disagree because you think that teenagers are just teenagers. They can be stressed and depressed, and they can also have a dark future. Actually, every case requires careful consideration of individual circumstance, the nature of the crime and the crime rate. And the goal should be a system balancing accountability with the opportunity for young people to become productive members of society.
Oh, that's right. Wait, my mom just texted me to buy a vegetables and the rain stopped. So I will go first. Goodbye.
Oh, okay. Bye. Be
Bye.
careful.